To all my Kapampangan, well and good. We have the second Azure. We call it Azure North. That's all in Pampanga. Now, you are here in Azure South in Parañaque. In the heart of the city, white beach, and amazing. Kuya, lifeguard, what time you will close here? What time? 7 p.m. So guys, if you wanna use the amenities, it's until 7 p.m. Thank you, Mamang Lifeguard. O, diba? Maganda dito. Maraming gwapo. Ayan. Gwapo pa yung mga lifeguard. Thank you. Saka yun, yung ginagawa na yun, wala pa nakatira. Turnover. Last is Boracay. Thank you.